Welcome to Eric Blackman Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackman Guitar. In this one I'm going to show you how I play Opalite by Taylor Swift on acoustic guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, and the key is C major, but eventually the song will modulate to G major. We'll start by playing two chords, C major 7, and that's played by placing a finger on the A string at fret 3 and the D string at fret 2 and strumming from the A string down. We're going to slide that chord up by 2 frets and we'll get a D 6 9 11. Now we've got the ring finger on the A string fret 5 and the D string fret 2, and everything else is open, strumming from the A string down, like that. Here's how we'll strum those chords. We'll go to the C major 7 and we'll strum down, up, down, down, up, up, up. That's down, up, down, down, up, up, up. Next, from where we are, we'll slide up to the D 6 9 11 and strum up, down, up. So that's up, up, down, up. We'll do that up strum as we slide up, so it's like that. So it's up, up, down, up. Here's the entire strum. Down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up. And then we'll go to an E minor chord, G, D. So that was E minor, G, D. And just play like this. So let's play through the chords. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's how we'll strum the verses. Next is a chorus. When we go to the chorus, we'll go to a G chord. So now we're in the key of G major. So we're going to play the G for 8 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. E minor. Same thing. A minor. And D9 suspended. For that D knife suspended chord, we're placing a finger on the B string at fret 1 and strumming from the D string down. That's our D knife suspended chord. All right, here's the entire thing again. G, E minor, A minor, D knife suspended, And so, my friends, since all the chords repeat, that's all you need to know in order to play Opalite by Taylor Swift on acoustic guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.